Namaste everyone, welcome back to Civil Raja, your gateway to future and your go-to channel for all things civil engineering. I am engineer Shiv Raja Babu, your building consultant and guide in the world of structural design. Today we have an exciting topic that will elevate your skills in STAAD PRO, how to mark coordinates from a center line diagram using Excel. Stick around and by the end of this video, you will be mastered in this topic. So to start, open your Excel or a spreadsheet and AutoCAD. You have a centerline diagram. You need to transfer those coordinates seamlessly into STAAD PRO for the precise structural design. Let's simplify this process together. So first thing first, let's set up an Excel sheet, create a column for point ID, that means nodes, that is over here, X coordinate, Y coordinate, and Z coordinate. From the centerline diagram, now input your data. This is the foundation of our bridge between Excel and STAAD PRO. It is all about organization and accuracy. So let's see how we have to do that. So guys, first of all, you have to mark the coordinates in such a way that you have to take a origin. I have taken this column, that is the top left corner column, as the origin, and from there I've been taking the reference and I'm just marking the coordinates in all other points. So what I am using over here is that for the x direction, in the rightward direction I'm going for the positive values, and in the leftward direction I will go for the negative values. So on the ground floor I don't have to go for the leftward direction, so I'm just entering the positive values over here. Similarly, in the z direction there is some positive value, and that is in the downward direction. In the upward direction I will go for the negative values. So this is how you have to mark the coordinates. So if you haven't watched this video of how to make the centerline diagram, then go ahead and watch that video first. After that, you will be able to understand these particular portion of the video easily. And guys, if you want to get more videos on this, then all you have to do is to just hit the like button, so that I can be motivated to create more videos in this series. I'm planning to create the complete series of this uh, structural design. So I have started with the centerline marking. I'm marking the coordinates now, and then I will jump to the STAAD PRO. After that, I will go for the RCDC. To join my professional training, you can find my number in the description, and from there, you can simply just WhatsApp or call me on that number. Actually, it is 8433248864. That is very simple to remember. Okay, so now I have completed marking the coordinates on the ground floor. Now it's time to mark the coordinates for the first floor. So you can see in the Y coordinate, I have just written 0 because that is the marking for the ground floor and at the plinth level. In the first floor, I am marking just the coordinates that are not available on the ground floor. So why I'm doing so? Because for the first floor, I will simply translational repeat. There is a tool, translational repeat, that I will use in the STAAD PRO. So I will show you how to do that in the STAAD PRO. So don't worry about that. So I'm just marking the coordinate over here. Let me focus for just 1 more minute. And in the Excel sheet, why I'm doing all these things? Because it is very simple to do the copy paste over here. So the accuracy is highly maintained in the Excel sheet, and you can simply just write the coordinates in the STAAD PRO also, but the accuracy may hamper. Now I think I have already entered all the things over here. Now, before we wrap it up, let me share some pro tips. Always double check your Excel sheet for accuracy. Consistency is the key, and any discrepancy can lead to error in your design. Also, explore additional feature in STAAD PRO for more advanced structural analysis. The more you know, the more powerful your design becomes. And there you have it, guys. Mastering the art of marking coordinates from the centerline diagram in Excel for STAAD PRO. So this is Engineer Shiv Raja Babu signing off from Civil Raja. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more expert insights. And until next time, keep building, keep designing, and stay civilly awesome. Thank you, guys.